You have to work from 9 to 5, but you don't like it. Or better yet, you hate it so much that you don't want to waste your time. Looking for a new, easier, and better way to make $100 a day? Why not do it online instead? We mean that the internet is the best way to make money in the 21st century. Start watching this video. It is about the 7 websites that can help you make $100 per day, even if you're a beginner. Before you start watching, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So let's start right away. Number 1. GoDaddy Auctions. People make a lot of money just by buying old or expiring domains. People will pay 10 or even 100 times what you paid for a domain that has a lot of brand value and only 1 or 2 words. If you find the right domain, we have seen people buy expired or forgotten to renew domain names on GoDaddy Auction for $10 and then sell them on Flippa.com for $100, $500, or even $1,000. This is a simple way to make $100 per day online. You act as a middleman, and all you have to do is look through GoDaddy's auctions for domains that look good and buy them. You can also look at what domain names are selling on Flippa and write down the patterns. Then, you can use the same pattern and strategies that have already been proven to sell domain names on Flippa. So, you have to find one domain that is popular, and if you find the right one, you can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars just from that one purchase. Number 2. www.flippa.com. Flippa.com lets you sell anything online. For example, if you have been building up a Shopify store or an Instagram account for years, you can sell either of those. You go to Flippa.com to find a good deal. Means you see a website with bad design and you are a graphic artist or know how to design websites well. You think that the website you see is undervalued because it could get a lot of traffic and make a decent amount of sales. So you could buy that website for $100, change it up and sell it on Flippa for $1,000. So you buy something for $60 and sell it for $600, making 10 times as much money. On Flippa, this happens every single day. People make ugly websites look much better. Then, bring more people to them and sell them again. It's a fascinating process, and finding deals on Flippa is one of the most interesting ways to make $100 per day. Number 3. https://adf.ly. On click, ADFLY will pay. It won't pay you hundreds of dollars, but it will add up. And the best part is that you don't have to do anything. If you have a blog or any kind of traffic like a YouTube channel, you can ask your family and friends to click a link. You just need to shorten any link on the internet. And when someone clicks on that link, it will show a 5-second ad. When they see that 5-second ad, you get paid. So every time someone clicks on your link, you make extra money. Let's say you have an ebook or a tutorial on how to make money online. Every time someone clicks on that link, you get paid. You won't become a millionaire overnight, but it's an easy way to start making a little extra money without doing anything. Number 4. www.canva.com. Canva lets you do graphic design, even if you don't know anything about it. Let's say you signed up to do graphic design in Fiverr or Upwork. You don't know much about graphic design, but Canva.com lets you make beautiful designs, even if you don't know what you're doing. Most of the times people use Canva to make banners, images for Facebook posts, and Instagram posts. You could charge people $5 or $10, make these graphics for them. Putting it together will take you like 20 minutes. You can charge businesses for graphic design services like business card design, logo design, stationery design, letterhead design, brochure design, banner design, etc. Number 5. Fiverr.com and Upwork.com. You can use your skills to make money on Fiverr and Upwork. If you speak 2 languages like English and Spanish, you could offer translation services on Fiverr or Upwork and get paid. That's why Fiverr and Upwork are also so great. You can get paid for your expertise. All you have to do is sign up for Fiverr or Upwork free, and then you can literally make a gig or service offering telling people what you can do. It could be a translation or a graphic design, for example. Do some research to find out what's popular and what's already selling. If you are good at any of those things, or you can learn to be good at any of those things, you can start doing them yourself and start making $100 per day. Number 6, www.duda.com. With Duda, you can make a website that works well on mobile devices. So you could look for websites that aren't mobile friendly, which may also be it doesn't fit in your phone properly. Things take a long time. It doesn't load all of it. It takes too long to load. Even if you don't know how to build websites, you can use Duda to make and optimize mobile websites. You can need to find businesses with mobile sites that don't look good and send them a message saying you could make them a much better one. Then use Duda to make the better website. The best part is that you can start a free trial, so you don't have to pay anything upfront. You can start doing this and start making $100 per day. You need to look for websites that don't have a mobile site that looks good and then use this site to make one for them. Number 7, https://purefly.com/. The thing that Purefly lets you do is called a CPA. Most affiliate programs require you to get people to sign up and pay. But CPA means that you get paid for each action. Sign up for Purefly and promote the other businesses. For example, if you get 100 people to sign up for Fiverr through your link, you will get paid every time someone clicks that link. They don't need to sign up at all. They don't have to pay anything else. They just have to do something. This is called cost per action. And when someone clicks on a link you're promoting on Purefly, you get paid. This is a great way to start making money if you already have a following or if you can get your friends and family signed up for this stuff. You get paid every time someone clicks on your link and does something, and you can make up to $100 per day. So these are 7 different ways to make $100 per day online, even if you are a total newbie. If this was helpful to you, like and share this video to help others as well. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new update. Thanks for watching.